You have been ordering Bisi Bele Bath from restaurants your whole life, but I promise you nothing they serve comes close to what you are about to make at home today. My mother never once made this form of store-bought powder, not once. She had her own secrets. Last week I gave you the exact powder recipe. Today we use it. This is Amma's authentic Bisi Bele Bath, the complete recipe, exactly as she made it. And by the end of the video, your kitchen will smell like heaven. Now this is the ingredients list. Take a screenshot of it. We begin with the basic. I am taking 1 cup of Sona Masoori rice, regular everyday rice. And for every 1 cup of rice, we need 1 cup of Tur Dal, that's Togari Bele. 1:1 ratio. That is the perfect proportion for Bisi Bele Bath. Remember it. Mix them together and wash thoroughly, at least 3 times until the water runs clear. Now this is perfectly washed. To this washed rice and dal, I am adding vegetables. I am just adding these 3, 1 carrot and 1 kol or kohlrabi and few French beans, all chopped into roughly 1-inch pieces. Simple, wholesome, exactly what Amma used. And this is completely optional, but if you add the fresh green peas, the batani, add a 1/4 cup of it. It adds a beautiful sweetness to the bath. Now add 6 cups of water. Use the same cup for all measurements. Keep it consistent. Add a pinch of turmeric and a teaspoon of oil. Give everything a nice mix. Close the cooker lid and cook for about 3 whistles. While that is cooking, I am soaking a lemon-sized bowl of tamarind and keeping that pulp aside. And we also need 2 teaspoons of Jaggery Powder. This balances the sourness from the tamarind and gives Bisi Bele Bath that signature depth. Open the cooker and look at that. The rice, dal and vegetables are perfectly cooked. Everything has come together beautifully. Now the 3 more cups of water to adjust the consistency. Bisi Bele Bath needs to be smooth and flowing, not thick like a regular rice dish. Mix gently and thoroughly. That consistency is perfect. Let's keep this aside. Now I am taking a heavy bottomed pot. This is important. A heavy bottomed ensure even heating and prevents burning. Add 2 teaspoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee, that's tuppa. First in go the peanuts, that's Kadale Bele, around 2 tablespoons of Kadale Bele. Roast them until perfectly crisp. Take them out and keep aside. These are going top as garnish at the very end. Do not skip this step away, believe me. And next we are building the masala base. In the same oil or ghee, add 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 2 inches of freshly grated ginger. No onion, no garlic, remember that. This is how Amma made it, and trust me, you will not miss either. Now add 2 finely chopped capsicum and 2 finely chopped tomatoes. Saute for about 2 minutes until the tomatoes soften completely. Add a pinch of turmeric and a 1/4 teaspoon of hing, that's asafoetida. Now goes the tamarind pulp. We set aside. And the 2 teaspoons of Jaggery powder. Mix well and cook until the moisture from the tamarind evaporates. This will take you 2 or 3 minutes. Close the lid and cook and let it go. And now the moisture is gone. Now it's perfect. Now it's the hero moment. And now comes the hero of the entire recipe, Amma's Bisi Bele Bath powder, the one we made together last week. If you have not made it yet, the link is in the description and in the iCard right now. Go make it first. This recipe deserves nothing less. I'm adding 3 heaped teaspoons of this masala powder and salt to taste. Give it a beautiful mix. Now, in goes the cooked rice and vegetables. Add a little extra water. Use the same cup. Mix everything gently. Do not be aggressive here. You want the rice and the dal to stay together, not break apart. Adjust the consistency to your preference. If you want it more flowing, add a little more water. I'm happy with this. Close the lid and cook for another 3 minutes. Now my secret, the tempering. While the bath is cooking, let us make the tempering in a small pan. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of Desi Ghee, that's tupa. Add mustard seeds and allow them to crackle fully. Then add jeera, let it crackle too. Now add 2 sprigs of curry leaves and 4 dry red chilies. Saute until the chilies turn crisp. Finally, a pinch of hing, that's asafoetida. The tempering smells extraordinary. Now that's it. Add a generous handful of fresh coriander leaves. Pour in the tempering, all of it. Mix gently one last time. Check the seasoning, adjust if you needed anything else. And there it is, Amma's authentic Bisi Bele Bath, made with her powder, with her proportions, her patience, the tamarind, the jaggery, the ghee, the crispy peanuts on the top, every element exactly where it should be. This is not a restaurant Bisi Bele Bath, this is home, this is Karnataka, this is Amma. Every time I make this, it takes me straight back to her kitchen. That aroma, that roasted masala, the ghee tempering and tamarind. It is not just a smell, it is a memory. And you know, memory lives in your kitchens too. If Amma's recipe brought something special to your home today, hit that like button and keep the legacy alive. Subscribe to Deepak's Kitchen if you have not already. Ring that bell icon for every Tuesday and Friday upload, and drop a comment below. I want to know how your Bisi Bele Bath turned out. This is Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara. See you soon. Till then, happy cooking.